Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Sunbeam Origins all-in-one home espresso machine. We were lucky enough to have the team at Sunbeam send us out one, so we're going to be exploring some of the features and I'll let you know my thoughts. In today's video, we're going to be covering what's inside the box, the look of the machine, the anti-static technology in the inbuilt grinder, the auto dosing feature, the dual heating elements, and the powerful steam wand. So if there's a specific section that you're looking for, check the timeline below to find it. In the box, you're going to get this 58mm portafilter, which is the same size portafilter that they use on commercial machines. You'll get two sets of basket that come in single and double shots. One is single walled and the other is double walled. But only use the double walled basket if you're using pre-ground coffee and need a little extra pressure. You'll also get a milk jug and this magnetic tamp that sits perfectly atop your machine. And you'll also get these cleaning tools that sit in a little basket underneath your drip tray. And of course, you get this beautiful machine. So let's talk about the look for a second. I feel like it's super modern and sleek while still taking some inspiration from classic Italian style espresso machines. You have these guardrails running along the top, and I love the nostalgic feel of this classic switch on the front. Now let's talk about the grinder, which has one of the most exciting features that they've upgraded in this new machine. The grinder is super simple to use. You simply adjust it to the left or to the right if you want to grind it finer or coarser. But the best thing that they've added to this machine is the anti-static grinding technology. With a lot of at-home grinders, they often spray a lot of beans everywhere, so you end up with this mess all over your bench. People have tried to make funnels and guards that you put on your portafilter to stop the coffee from going everywhere, but they're just annoying to use and just another added thing that you don't really want in your kitchen. But with this new anti-static technology, the coffee grinds directly into your portafilter and you don't get the mess everywhere. The other great feature with this grinder is that it has auto dosing, which automatically doses the correct amount of coffee into your portafilter. So if you're using a single shot basket, you simply pull down once and then you'll see this one appear on the front of the display. Then the machine will automatically dose for a single shot. If you're using a double shot basket, you simply pull down twice and you'll see a 2 appear on the display. And then the machine will automatically dose for a double shot. However, if you're trying to be more meticulous and want to weigh out your shots or use a timer, you can simply hold down your portafilter and it will manually grind into your basket. You'll even see a timer appear on the front of the machine so you can keep track of your grind time. Now we get to my favorite feature, which not many espresso machines have in this price range. It has dual heating, one heating element for espresso and one heating element for steaming milk. With most home machines, they just have one, which means when you're pulling your shot of coffee, you then have to wait ages until you can actually steam your milk. But with this, you can do both at the same time. So as I'm pulling my shot, I can be steaming my milk just like this, which is great when you don't have a lot of time in the morning and you're just trying to get out the door. And finally, we look at the steam wand. I have to point out here how instantaneous this steam pressure is. The steam wand has high enough pressure to create a great vortex like this, which is crucial when you're trying to texture silky milk just like a cafe. So in summary, who do I think this machine is for? I think it's for the coffee maker that's all about convenience. This machine makes less mess, it heats up quicker, you make your coffee faster, and it makes a really nice espresso. Please let me know any questions that you'd like to know in the comments below, and let me know any other machines that you'd like to see me review. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more free coffee tips, tricks, and tutorials, and of course, it's only fitting if you hit the bell. Coffee up. What am I meant to do in these bits? Is it just I just stand here and you guys look at videos that you might want to watch over here? I've never understood. It feels just awkward. I'll just leave you guys here to look at these and I'm just gonna head off, okay? So do what you want.